You see, this is the front view of the bumper. Some tape to have more to close the gap, and it's having with the grips here. And it's doing pretty good, my friend. So this is the view. Now stay tuned. Check. All right. So check it out. Now it's coming the tough part in the corner. Yeah, it's gotta be melted. The little net has to be melted. Just hit it up to close the gap. Make it more easy to handle. Do it. You see that? It's still hot and it's kind of welded, but it's not finished yet. See it? Smoke is start melting the plastic. This guy is doing good, you know. It's Mr. JD himself, the man of the hour. All right, so I keep posting the progress of the rear bumper. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and stay tuned, my friend. Have a great day.